वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ अक्षिता एंड आज की वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ माय नायका सेल हॉल। सो द नायका पिंक फ्राइडे सेल हैपेंड रिसेंटली और बहुत कंट्रोल करने के बाद भी मैंने लास्ट डे पे ऑर्डर प्लेस कर ही दिया। आई कुड नॉट रेजिस्ट। सो देयर वर सम प्रोडक्ट्स जो मैं एनीवेज रीस्टॉक करने वाली थी क्योंकि खत्म हो रहे थे, एंड देयर वर प्रोडक्ट्स जो मैं काफ़ी टाइम से ट्राई करना चाहती थी एंड आई थॉट सेल वुड बी अ गुड टाइम टू बाय देम क्योंकि ऑफर्स काफ़ी अच्छे थे। So I'm very excited to share everything I got with you guys. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram as well. चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं. Just to show you, this is the size of parcel I have received. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि इतना बड़ा पार्सल कैसे बन गया but we'll get into this quickly and see everything one by one. First, I have this Nivea moisturizing body milk. This has pure hyaluron almond oil and deep nourishing serum. This is one of the OGs and इसको एक बार सुबह में अप्लाई करती हूँ and my skin stays moisturized throughout the day. I keep alternating between this and the Vaseline का येलो वाला intense moisturizing lotion, and both works wonder for my skin. So this was a restock. So second one is a new purchase. This Plum rice water and 10% niacinamide serum. This has been going viral for quite some time now. तो मैंने सोचा कि अब it's high time I should also try it. So I got this in the 50 ml variant. इस पे काफ़ी अच्छा ऑफर मिल गया मुझे सेल में कार्ड डिस्काउंट्स वगैरह लगाने के बाद. It claims to give brighter skin and reduce blemishes. मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे रिव्यूज सुने हैं इसके बारे में, सो आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई इट. आई विल कीप यू गाइज पोस्टेड ऑन माई शॉर्ट्स आफ्टर आई हैव यूज्ड इट फॉर अ कपल ऑफ वीक्स. सो दिस वन वॉज a new purchase. So with that serum I got these two freebies. First one is this Plum alpha arbutin and hyaluronic acid serum. So this one also I haven't tried earlier, but anyways मैं अपने स्किन केयर रूटीन में विटामिन सी इंक्लूड करना ही चाहती थी. So this can also be something that I can try out. I got this full size free serum. It claims to fade tan and control melanin production. Obviously it has alpha arbutin which does reduce blemishes. So yeah, this was the first freebie. And second one is this new launch from Plum, their Cerasense Duo. So it has two products. I mean they have launched two products in this range. The first one is their Cerasense Milky Toner and second one is the moisturizer. Oh my god, these are so cute. So I got these two freebie sample sizes. Great for trying it out and for travel purposes. इसके रिव्यूज़ इतने ज़्यादा अभी मार्केट में आए नहीं हैं, बट इट्स ग्रेट. आई कैन ट्राई इट आउट एंड सी हाउ इट वर्क्स. द मिल्की टोनर, so cute, it's so small, and the moisturizer, perfect, very cute. freebies मिल जाते हैं, इसीलिए सेल में शॉपिंग करने में मज़ा आता है. So next one is again a new purchase. This Anua Heart Leaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. So yeah, I have been using the cleansing oil from DHC. It works great for removing makeup and in general for double cleansing. It works really well and I have used 4-5 bottles of that. But इसके मैंने इतने सारे ऐसे वीडियोस देखे थे where people were like literally putting this oil, rubbing it around their nose, and white heads and black heads उनके ऐसे हाथ में आ रहे थे. I don't know if these videos are true, but they were really fascinating. So I wanted to try it out. This is a very huge bottle. This will last me a very long time. I hope this also works as good as it claims. Will definitely let you know. So this one was also a new purchase. अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ अच्छी लगी, so I will definitely want many more people to know about it and try it out. So yeah. Now I'm feeling like कि मैंने काफ़ी सारे brands के new launches purchase कर लिए हैं. So again the next one is a new launch from Cetaphil. So they have recently launched their essay range. This is the gentle exfoliating essay cleanser. This has salicylic acid, mentalic acid and PHA. So this claims, and I have seen not many videos because this is very new, but I have seen dermatologists claiming that this gives smoother skin in one use. I keep getting pimples and small breakouts and blackheads, whiteheads. So this is a good one which has salicylic acid and perfectly safe for daily. I'm very excited to try this. So seriously, I'm excited. a lot for this one because face washes have always been something that have played a major role in controlling my acne. I mean, serums and creams and all of that have their place, but I personally feel face wash, I mean, I have seen people say that face wash में क्या रखा है, face wash you just wash it and वो तो चला जाता है पानी के साथ, but the way a face wash leaves your face, after that it should not feel very dry, right? So that is what is most important for me. Again with this I got two cute freebies. These are perfect for traveling. This is the Cetaphil oily skin cleanser, the usual one, and moisturizing lotion. Perfect. I have already used them in past and I know Cetaphil. This next product is something which I tried and I fell in love with. I mean, this is the L'Oreal Absolute Hair Repair Mask. I don't have words to describe this. I mean, my hair has always been like straight and smooth, like not very frizzy. But oh my god, ever since I've been using this, my hair, I mean, they literally become so soft and smooth. मेरा बालों में से हाथ निकालने का मन ही नहीं करता है ये यूज़ करके, एंड इट स्मेल्स अमेजिंग एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट है, बहुत बिल्कुल ऐसे ऑयली हैवी फीलिंग नहीं है कि अगर ये आपके हेयर मॉइस्चराइज कर रहा है तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयलीनेस फील हो. इट्स वेरी लाइट एंड इट गिव्स अमेजिंग स्मूथनेस, सॉफ्टनेस, शाइन. आई मीन, अगर इस वीडियो में से ओवरऑल आपको कोई भी रिकमेंडेशन, कोई भी एक प्रोडक्ट भी अगर आप पिक कर लोगे तो प्लीज़ पिक दिस. आई एम टेलिंग यू, योर हेयर विल थैंक यू फॉर दिस. आई लिटरली लव दिस. आई मीन, जब मैंने यूज़ किया आई वाज लाइक कि मैंने ये पहले क्यों नहीं यूज़ किया. सो दैट इज़ दैट. एंड ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छे ऑफर पे मिल रहा था इन अ कॉम्बो. सो आई गॉट दिस. सो दिस कॉम्बो वॉज ऑन डिस्काउंट. और ये शैम्पू तो ऑलरेडी, और ये हेयर मास्क तो I already love it. So I thought I'll give the shampoo also a try. I have heard great things about it. This has protein and omega-9. This is the same range, so I'm hoping these two will work beautifully together. I'll just love the smell. I love the smell of this range. Again with this combo, I got a freebie, so I picked this one. This is a hair mask, and this is from the Absolute Repair Molecular range. I've heard great things about this as well, so I thought why not just give this a try. Oh my god, this also smells so good. I mean, wow. Again, travel size freebie, love it. And guys, so the next one is this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. So I know there are a lot of concealers in the market, some even better than this in terms of coverage and everything, but I personally love this because this has a perfect shade match, plus it is very lightweight and it has medium to full buildable coverage, so you can use it on a day-to-day basis without feeling very heavy on your skin. Also, I love to use only this and no foundation or BB cream on top of that, so it feels very natural. I mean, I only use it on the areas where I need concealing on the marks, and the rest of the face I do not like putting too much stuff on my face, so it is perfect for that. और ये mostly Amazon पे, Nykaa पे I'm not sure, but sale पे available रहता है, so then it becomes affordable as well. If you are a beginner, you can try this out. It will fit your pocket and it gives great coverage. I know the packaging is not the best, but the product stands out. It gives beautiful coverage and it feels very light. Yeah, you can try it. The last product जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा लेट आया और जिसकी वजह से मैंने इतना लेट वीडियो बनाया. I mean, मैं स्वीट प्रोडक्ट के बिना भी वीडियो बना सकती थी, बट फिर मैंने सोचा कि मुझे सारी चीज़ों के बाद ही वीडियो बनाने का मन था. Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick in the shade Chai. I mean, again, this is a restock and I love this shade. This is a perfect nude shade for each and every Indian skin tone or brown skin girl, as everyone says it. It's perfect. I mean, it will make you feel like my lips but better. I love to use it on a everyday basis. All I apply it almost every single day. Perfect. It's pinkish brownish nude, does not wash me out. I know this is not the best formula. I mean, in terms of longevity, it is not transfer proof and it does transfer and fade away, but I am not complaining. I am okay with reapplying because the shade, I just love this shade. Let me know if you guys are also a fan of a particular shade in lipstick that you keep applying every single day because it makes your lips look pretty. Now they have launched it in a bigger size, so that is also a nice thing. So now I have this big size of liquid that will last me for a very long time. So that was all that I got from this sale. Only the essentials. I'm so proud of myself. मैं पिघली नहीं. Do let me know if you love or have already tried any of these products. I would love to read your reviews on the same, and also let me know कि आप लोगों ने इस सेल में क्या क्या खरीदा. I would love some new recommendations as well if you'd want me to try. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you get notified, like this video, and I will keep creating new content for you guys. So अब मैं आपको मिलूंगी अगले वीडियो में. Bye.